Once again, welcome back guys. This is our fourth video on Java tutorials, and in this video we are going to learn about how could we round off simple decimal numbers in Java, and how could we make comments, and what are the different types of comments which we could make in the Java program. So let's start the video. First of all, in our last lecture we have seen that how could we make simple decimal numbers like this one we have created over here, and the output which we have got over here is very high. And so here we are going to now round off this number. So for rounding it off, we have to first go over here where we have written its print statement, which is this. For making it more simple, I am going to create here one more variable which is of double type, and I am going to name it round. For rounding of the number, we are going to use an inbuilt library in Java, that is math. We are going to use the math library over here, that is math, and in the math we are going to use the round function. And here we are going to write our x divided by n, and just write here the semicolon. Now here we are going to print it round, and we are going to just run over here. So now you could see that here the output we are getting is now 1.0, that is the rounded value we are getting over here. So this was the method by which you could round off the number. And now finally I am going to show you that how could you make comments in Java. There are three simple types of comment in Java. They are single line comment, multi-line comment, and document type comment. And first of all, how could we create a comment? That is, you could see here that here I am going to create an comment in front of this int x, and I am going to write over here, this is a variable. So this is a comment I have write. This is simple text based comment, and it is not going to give you any of the output over here in the console. Now how could you create the multi-line comment? For creating a multi-line comment, you have to slash and then an asterisk, and after entering an asterisk you have to write over here what is the comment. So I am going to write over here there are many variables. So you could see here that there are three asterisks now, one with the opening slash and another with the closing slash. And this is a multi-line comment I have used here. It is just like the single line comment. The difference over here is just that you could enter this in as many lines as you want, and by just pressing the enter and what the value you want to write in the comment you could write. So the third type of comment is the document comment. Now what is a document comment? First of all, I am going to create over here a document comment, then I am going to tell you what is that actually. So for creating the document comment is just the same method like we have created the multi-line comment, but the difference over here is just that after putting an asterisk over here, you have to put another asterisk and then you have to hit enter. Now what this actually going to do? So now you could see that it is a blue color, and the difference over here is that now if I write a comment like that, it's the program of arithmetical operations, and I have written over here. Now this line indicates that this is the whole program is based on this line, like this whole program is of arithmetical operations, which I have stated here. So when we put here double asterisk, then Java understood that the program is based on what we have written over here. It is going to be the title or the description of the program what we have created. So there are the three basic types of comments available in Java. Only this much for this video. Now we will soon meet in the next lecture.